Are you tired of spending hours sitting in front of a camera, setting up lighting, making adjustments, doing multiple takes just to get it right? Well, what if I told you the best AI generator is able to create a clone in your likeness and in only just a few minutes? Today, we're going to be diving into HeyGen and see how your digital twin avatar technology completely changes the content creation game. And you can produce quality studio output without a camera crew. Let's actually get into HeyGen right now. All right, so we are setting up the avatar today. This is HeyGen. This is the back office. You can see you can generate from a prompt, make an avatar video from a photo. You can create your own AI avatar or translate any video. But we're gonna actually go into the different settings here so you know and understand everything. So we'll go ahead and check out avatar. And we have a few options here from my avatars. You can clone a real person or create a virtual character just by uploading a video or a photo. So the choice is yours, or you can even use a public avatar. But we're going to go ahead and set up a avatar. We can either do it through your camera or record it through your phone or actually upload photos or footage rather. So very easy to do. We're going to go ahead and show you the different public avatars. There's Annie, there's Sean. We have all sorts of different avatars here. Just depends on the style we are looking for. If that's a professional look or a lifestyle, we're gonna go ahead and pick Annie. And as you can see, she has different suits that we can actually pick from. There's, let's see, Annie in a black and a gray dress. We have a brown shirt. Check out this one. We can use this in a video and use either prompts, create a new shot, add a script. And right here, we can just paste the script in or change the look. Just depends on what we're trying to do. So this is the script I came up with. It's pretty simple, and we're going to change the settings here. We can go to either landscape or uh, portrait. I think those are good. We'll go ahead and generate that. It actually generated faster than I thought it would. So let's actually take a look. It's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and play this.
Hi there. Welcome to my digital space. I'm checking out how this AI avatar turns out, and honestly, the technology is pretty amazing.
So we have the option to really do a few things here. We can actually share this or download it. We can go to activities. This is the transcript we just used. So let's go ahead and go back to the home. We'll go to avatar here, and this is our project that we've been working on. So we have a few options here. We can do a video agent and turn your ideas into production ready video. So we have our avatar here and we can describe what we want. We can also choose public avatars or ones we've created. So, I mean, there's not any kind of limitations on what you've already created. So, like, we can pick a new one here. We can pick Darlene, for example, with a different likeness or clone your own voice. We can design a voice or we can import from a third party or just use HeyGen's library. So if we like one person's likeness and a different person's audio, we can combine the two, which is pretty neat. So we have Hope and Darlene. We're going to check a style or choose a style, and we have all sorts of options here. We have cinematic, we have handmade, print, pop culture, iconic, and retro. So we're going to go ahead and pick this style here behind desk. And so now we have our prompt here, and we're going to go ahead and click generate, and we can auto generate from our video, and then we'll go ahead and submit that. So 3 different categories. We have the different person, Darlene, with a different voice. I think it was Katrina, and a different style. And just like that, we are created here. So as you can see, all sorts of really, we have our person, different scenes, all, a whole different project from what we want. So let's pull this to full screen so you can get a feel of how it looks. All right, so we're going to play
Being a
this.
creator is often 90% busy work and 10% creativity. Let's flip that ratio. Automation is the key to scaling your content production faster than you ever thought possible. Our AI tool handles the tedious tasks, like subtitling, editing, and scheduling in seconds. Scale your reach without increasing your workload. It is like having a full production team at your fingertips. Automate the workflow, not the vision. Keep the creativity, lose the grind, and start building. The future of creation is here. Visit our website and start scaling your content today.
So it was pretty sweet. I mean, it did everything I wanted it to do. And let's go ahead and go to assets. So we have quite a bit of assets that we can use, from drag and drop elements to the avatar. I'm gonna go ahead and click on our home here and click on home. So as you can see, we can do quite a bit more. We can do video dubbing, we can do audio dubbing, pronunciation, or rules. That's the last video we just did. And we can change this into a different language from all sorts of different languages. So let's go ahead and do French here, and I'll show you the difference. So we'll go ahead and translate this. All right, let's actually add Spanish too. So we have Spanish, translate, and now they are translating two videos. All right, so we have the original here. Go ahead and play that here. This is the original.
Hi there. Welcome to my digital space. I'm checking out how this AI avatar turns out, and honestly, the technology is pretty amazing. Let me know what you think.
All right, so that's the original. We have the French avatar. All right, so we have the Spanish.
Hola, ¿qué
We
tal?
have
Bienvenido a mi espacio digital. Estoy probando cómo queda este avatar de inteligencia artificial. La verdad, la tecnología está increíble. Déjame saber qué te parece.
all right, so that was Spanish, and this is French.
Bonjour. Bienvenue dans mon espace numérique. Je teste ce que donne cet avatar IA, et honnêtement, la technologie est vraiment impressionnante. Dites-moi ce que vous en pensez.
All right, so now we'll go back to home. Those are pretty sweet that you can do pretty much any language. I mean, French to Spanish. So what I love is none of the videos that are generated it's in their privacy policy that none of the public AIs will actually be used in training their AI models. So if you're tired of wasting hours on traditional production and want to start scaling your content effortlessly and have your content go to a wider demographic by just uploading and transcribing your videos into a different language, then try Hey Gen today and build your own digital twin and take your videos to that next level. Check out the link in the description. If you like this video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.